in mobiles, this section will looks like this. Okay, in mobiles your page will looks like this. So in more than small, there are mobiles which are small than this width. Okay, so in that mobiles the this page will also work, but they have just shown us two widths, so I'll just make this page. Okay, so let me make something useless page. Okay, so that was useless group. Now this is a useless page category. So what will be the category? To um to learn Facebook. Category is done. Let's add a description. I just want to show my viewers how to make a page. I am also demonstrating them about Facebook, right? My grammar is very bad, so I'll just correct it here. Let's save it. Okay, I can't save it. Let me see what is the problem here. So category, I don't think category is done. Okay, so I have to select categories from the showed suggested one things. Okay, so let's add freelancing. I think I'll get it. No, so duty free shop. What should I select? Let's select main road. This has nothing to do with my page, but I'll just select in main road. So you can select your category for the page. You have to select a category. Okay, create a page. Okay, so this is taking a little bit of time. I have already told you so many times that I don't know why this is taking so much time. Facebook is so reliable to use that this won't take so much time. So useless page was created. You can now add pictures and everything you want. Okay, so page is created, but it's showing this, right? Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, so it is done. We are redirected to this. I don't want to add my number. Okay, let's skip this. If you leave now, you won't be able to run WhatsApp ads or add a WhatsApp button to your page. You can go to WhatsApp. Okay, so leave now. I'll add later if I want to. Add action button. No, I don't want to add action button. Create a username. You can also add your email here, and yeah, so your page is created. Now you can make posts here that everyone can see. Okay, so yeah, this page is created. Okay, so we have gone far from groups to pages, and we have learned how to send